today and ride to Pomona State Park and camp there. Pretty excited to be back in the Flint Hills again. Alright, I'm here at the Council Grove Trailhead. I'm ready to head out. Let's see how it goes. 56 miles to Pomona. Or somewhere around there. Then I'm gonna camp and ride back tomorrow. So let's go check out the Flint Hills. Something about being out here where you can't hear any cars, you rarely see another person. Just lifts your spirits, you know, makes you feel good. A natural antidepressant. Hard to keep going on this trail. I just want to film. going pretty good. I do feel like I've been going up a hill the whole time, but I'm sure it has something to do with all the weight I'm carrying on my body and on the bike. Beautiful out here though. In between mile 10 and 20, miles 10 and 20, because I keep stopping, because I just keep finding these views. And this is somewhere I stopped last time. I was on this trail too. It's just crazy. It's like a fantasy land. Pretty unique place. They're putting in on the Flint Hills Trail. Bathrooms. About 15 miles in, you can see we get a little more typical Kansas country, a little less hilly, but still no cars. I've seen 2 people today. Hi, cows. Cows. I can't be bothered. This is a good place to stop at around like 20 miles from Council Grove. It's a good place to grab some water. This is the place that saved me when I was on my ride to the Katy to Rhineland this summer. I was running out of water and I stumbled across that one. So I had to go see if there's anything here. And there was, they had water. Pretty cool town. Place to refuel if you're in Allen. Bathroom. Check it out. I can't wait till they're open. So is that mile 30 feeling good? Got another flat. Another pinch flat. Oh, bike. It's repaired. Here we go. 20 more. Flat number 2. 5 miles from flat number 1. This time I pulled a giant thorn out of the front tire and now it's shooting air like crazy. I have one more spare. Hear that awesome flat sound? Oh. Can I catch a break? Can I catch a break? Second flat tire has been repaired. I don't have any more spares. I do have some patches, so hopefully I can make it to camp and patch these two tubes. We'll see. Here we go. Like 18 miles. Detour time. Well, I think I just followed an old map. Took an unnecessary detour. It was absolute hell, but I survived. And it reminded me a little of the Katy. See, I got some mud. Help me remember the fun of the Katy. So I went down. I came from this road here, and I did 4 miles through the hills, up and down, instead of just going on this trail here. Someday, a bike tour thing will go smoothly. Someday. Just gotta keep trying, learning. I'm at 50 miles. It's been, I'm just now starting to roll again the last mile. I probably walked half of it because it was so much mud. I couldn't pedal. So, but yeah, still going. Oh, mud. You just, when your bike's fully loaded and you're this heavy, and there's any kind of mud, it gets hard to pedal. Or impossible. Six more miles. Trail isn't as pretty as the first 20. I mean, it's still beautiful. It's not as well maintained. It's really challenging while it's wet. You can see all the mud, the dark spots. I only saw one big one there. There were more earlier. Rougher gravel or no gravel at all. It's been this way since I can't remember. It's been this way since for the last like 15 miles, and it's slowly way down. Yeah. See that? It just sinks. I sink right into that stuff. Oh. Alright, let's see. 3.7 miles left. I'm glad I didn't try to do the whole trail or something crazy. Finish this baby up. Mud. Disc out. They have a disc golf course. I made it. Look, some deer right over there. And then even better, real bathrooms with toilets right there. Yeah, dog. Today was a very long day, but I made it. 56 miles, a lot of mud, 2 flat tires, of course. Still working on getting that. But here's my little spot before it gets too dark. I wanted to show you. This is how I cook when I can't. Like my lantern. Check it out, I got my jet oil going. It's not going very fast today. There we go. Jeremy's jet oil. I got a spoon today, so I'm gonna have to let it cool and then make some kind of eating contraption. And my favorite adventure meal. It's all beat up and dirty from my Katy Trail trip, but chicken and dumplings. See the orange line when it gets to the top. It's supposed to mean your stuff is done boiling. Turn that off. You dump the boiling water in the package. Seal it up. Here we go. Sealed up. And let it sit. 5 minutes. We have to stir it somehow. It's gonna be interesting. I'm gonna maybe eat with my hands or something. But there you have it. Camping deliciousness.